We're in Aurora, Colorado today in the Painted Prairie neighborhood looking at homes by the New Home Company. This is Residence 2. We're gonna check it out. Let's go. Welcome inside. So first coming in here, we can find a coat closet and the stairs leading upstairs. We'll head up there in just a bit. And right away, we are in our main living space. First thing that you see here is your great room space. Nice big windows, feels light and bright in here. Dining room space right over here. Double doors leading out into a little, just a little patio and a side yard. And then coming over this way, we're into the kitchen. Kitchen island here, they have a couple chairs. You could probably fit 3 just fine. Sink and dishwasher are right here in the island. And you do get a little pantry here as well. Right this way are the stairs leading into the basement. Powder bath. This would be your office area. They have it set up as kind of their sales office, or part of it anyway. And then this right here leads into the garage. These are alley load garages. They also have it set up as their sales center. So your garage would look much more garagey. All right, so that does it for the main floor. We're gonna head upstairs. Okay, welcome upstairs. So if we come over this way, we're gonna find our secondary bedrooms. First one right here. And around the corner there to the next. Linen closet and the bathroom shared between those 2 bedrooms. This is double doors that lead into your laundry area. Always nice having your laundry on the 2nd floor. And then back this way is where you find the primary suite. Some nice big windows in here, letting in plenty of light. And then coming back here to the bathroom, we got a double sink vanity, shower. You find the private toilet closet on back there. And last but not least, walk-in closet. My name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. Again, we're in Painted Prairie in Aurora looking at homes by the New Home Company. If you'd be interested in these homes, give me a call. I'd love to meet you out here, see if these are the right homes for you. If not, help you find that right home and save you a little bit of money on your home purchase through negotiations and my closing cost credit. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me today and have a wonderful day.